The universe is filled with extraordinary events that challenge human understanding and push the boundaries of modern science. Among the most mysterious astronomical phenomena are sudden bright flashes of blue light that appear briefly in distant galaxies before disappearing almost as quickly as they arrive. These cosmic explosions, known as Fast Blue Optical Transients, FBOTs, have puzzled astronomers for years because they behave differently from ordinary stellar explosions such as supernovas. Recent scientific research suggests that one possible explanation for these mysterious blue flashes may involve black holes colliding with extremely hot stars in violent cosmic encounters. These dramatic interactions could release enormous amounts of energy, producing flashes bright enough to outshine entire galaxies for a short period of time. Understanding this theory requires exploring several fascinating areas of astronomy, including the nature of black holes, the life cycles of massive stars, and the advanced observational technologies scientists use to study distant cosmic events. The possibility that black holes slamming into scorching stars could produce mysterious blue flashes offers a new perspective on how extreme objects interact in the universe and how violent astrophysical processes shape galaxies over billions of years. Black holes are among the most extreme and mysterious objects in the universe. They form when massive stars collapse under their own gravity at the end of their lives. During this collapse, matter becomes compressed into an incredibly small region with gravitational forces so powerful that nothing, not even light, can escape. The boundary surrounding a black hole is called the event horizon, beyond which escape becomes impossible. Although black holes themselves cannot be directly observed because they emit no light, astronomers detect them through their effects on nearby matter, stars, and radiation. There are different categories of black holes. Stellar black holes form from dying massive stars and may contain several times the mass of the Sun. Supermassive black holes, located at the centers of galaxies, can contain millions or even billions of solar masses. Intermediate black holes may exist between these two extremes, although scientists are still studying their origins and properties. Regardless of their size, black holes have an extraordinary ability to influence surrounding objects through gravity. Massive stars, especially extremely hot blue stars, are also among the universe's most energetic objects. These stars burn fuel at extremely high temperatures, producing intense radiation and stellar winds. Blue stars are typically much larger and hotter than the Sun and live relatively short lives because they consume nuclear fuel rapidly. Their surfaces can reach tens of thousands of degrees Celsius, making them appear bright blue-white in color. Such stars are unstable compared to smaller stars and often exist in crowded regions of galaxies where interactions with other stars and compact objects are more likely. The theory connecting black holes and mysterious blue flashes suggests that under certain conditions, a black hole may collide with or pass extremely close to a massive hot star. When this happens, gravitational forces can rip apart stellar material in a process known as tidal disruption. The star may become stretched, compressed, and partially destroyed as matter spirals toward the black hole. This infalling material forms a rapidly spinning accretion disk around the black hole, heating to enormous temperatures and releasing powerful bursts of energy.